LOGFORCE reveals its full power by demonstrating what decentralized AI logic truly means. This new feature makes traditional red teaming and penetration testing tools obsolete, replacing them with an AI ecosystem built by real specialists, experts who have chosen to share their consolidated knowledge not with everyone, but within a trusted, purpose-driven working group through Blast Radius. Blast Radius is the world's first autonomous vertical knowledge search fabric with Adaptive ML Consolidation, a system capable of producing results that are simply unattainable with any other platform currently on the market. At its core, LOGFORCE combines decentralized AI, NFT-backed certified knowledge, and cryptographically verified commits to a decentralized large telemetry model, LTM. Every contribution is verifiable. Every signal is accountable. There are no black boxes. Each node in the network is a fully independent enterprise. It generates specialized knowledge and makes it available at a fair price, dynamically determined by the system based on the level of code automation. When knowledge is used, value is transferred directly from the user's wallet to the wallet of the node owner, providing that expertise, instantly monetizing real-world skill within a new, sustainable knowledge economy powered by Sophia. In this context, the knowledge may consist of highly specialized attack code, capabilities that no public AI model provides today. Where authorized, the entire kill chain can be tested end-to-end, allowing organizations to verify whether their SIEM rules and security controls are truly resilient against the most sophisticated attacks. Code can be refactored and adapted in real time, turning red teaming from a static exercise into a living, adaptive process. This search fabric goes far beyond traditional LLMs. It is a continuously evolving knowledge mesh where transparency, privacy, and respect for intellectual property are foundational principles, not afterthoughts. Maximum fairness, maximum transparency, maximum profit for LOGFORCE users.